Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those annoying notifications on your Android phone. While the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your device model, we will be using a Samsung phone for this guide. Don't worry, these instructions should work for almost all Android phones. So first, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and look for the Apps or Applications section. Tap on it and open the list of all apps installed on your device. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll through the list to find the app for which you want to mute notifications. Select the app to proceed. Inside the app settings, you'll see an option called Notifications. So tap on it and that's it. You have now successfully disabled unwanted notifications on your Android phone. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.